Hello G, welcome to Fundu Tester. You know what I hate most in the testing role? As an automation engineer, there are test cases with the steps are available on Jira or some test management tool. And then on top of that, I need to write a feature file sometimes with the same steps again. And then if something is not working, then while raising a defect, I need to write all the steps again, third time or multiple times. While sending an email, I need steps. Every time I need to write a steps because my dear friends, developers are not able to replicate the issue. What shall I do? So there is an amazing extension for this, which will write steps for you while performing some actions. So for example, let's say you are doing certain activities, you are executing some test or you are performing some random task on a web page. It will capture all the activities like steps, screenshots, you need a CSS selectors, you need a XPath, everything got captured by that extension. So we'll discuss soon. And before moving forward, don't forget to like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe Fundu Testers.
Camera rolling action.
Let's go to the computer screen. Today we are going to discuss very useful extension which is a TestCase Studio. So I'm going to the Selector Hub website and there is a extension available called TestCase Studio. So I'm clicking on it. It will land me to another page. Here you will find a brief about this extension. There is a tutorial as well available and this is available on the Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, multiple browser. Basically it is available and this extension coming with a free premium and business plan. So this all are the functionality you can read through and this extra functionality you will get on a premium version. So let me going to add with a Chrome. I just need to click on that. I need to click on add to Chrome and then add extension. So extension got added and I can go to the extension section. I need to pin it so I can see on top. So now you can see the extension got added on top and now I'm going to the practice page. So I'm going to perform basically certain activities on this page and I need to basically start that extension. So once I click on that, so it has basically started recording all the activities. So I'm going to enter something, let's say new Nissan password. You can see it is highlighted in a red color, whatever I'm doing. So let's say I'm adding some text here. I'm adding some random activities I'm performing. Mobile number I'm adding, country, let's say I'm adding India. And then I'm clicking on the submit. So I did the form filling activity and I clicked on the submit button. So let's say I'm going to that extension now. TestCase Studio. So now you can see here. Let me zoom a bit. So I opened the website, enter Nissan to enter email field. I scroll down, entered all this activity. Basically, it is recorded, and here you can see the options. Apart from this, keyboard activity I perform, I did the mouse activity, so everything got recorded. Here I can see the expert selector, CSS selector. If you need a playwright script, so basically it is highlighted with the steps, and you can see the screenshot. If I click on the screenshot, so here you can see the email field got highlighted and I have entered a value which is a Nissan. So everything got recorded and whatever you need, if you, for example, let's say you don't need a screenshot, then you can disable the screenshot option. And if you want to delete or alter some steps, let's say I need to add some more information as per my need, so that also can be done. So for example, user scrolling down, so whatever I wanted to do, I can do that. There is an option to export this and I can simply copy paste to the Jira, or otherwise I can add as a attachment. So for example, let's say I'm going to export it. It is started and you can see it is basically exported as a playwright file. So for example, if I open this, so it is basically generated the playwright script for me. It will generate a playwright script, one thing, and it is downloaded as a text file as well. So for example, let's say I need a CSV for the bug summary, then I can get all this. I can copy all these steps simply and I can attach with a bug summary. So there are multiple ways. It will give you the script, whatever activities you have performed, or it will give you the steps. And there is a one more thing. So for example, let's say if you wanted to rerun that, you can just simply click on the run. It will open up fresh browser like a playwright script. So kind of it is automated flow, and whatever activity I performed, I did, and now it is showing these all steps are passed and it is working. Don't you think it is amazing? You are doing some activity. This extension is simply recording all the steps. You will get the data, whatever data you have entered, because sometimes what happen, you are performing a exploratory testing and you found a defect, and then later you need to reproduce the defect. You forget the steps what you perform. So here basically it is recording what all your actions. It will make your work faster. So basically you can rerun this script. You will get all, you have all the data, you have XPath, you have CSS selector, you have playwright actions, you have screenshots, even you can alter the steps. That was a brief about this extension, and here you can see the list of features in detail. And if you think this tool is very useful to you and you wanted to use more features, then 7 days free trial is available for the premium feature, and then you can opt for the premium with a very minimum price, where you will get a mainly integration with the Jira, Azure and all these things, and you can record the test case in a BDD format. So this will quite a helpful. You can do certain activities and you will get the test case generated, you will get the all the data, XPath and all these things. Basically, you no need to capture individual XPath and all these things. You can simply copy all this extension while building a script. So for automation engineer also, it is a very useful, because for automation, what we need to do, basically we need to perform each and every activity. There are multiple fields are available. So we need to do the keep clicking on each field, right click, go to the console and write a XPath. So instead of here, we can just perform the certain activities. We'll have for entire activity, we will have a XPath generated. So it will basically speed up work for the manual testers as well as the automation engineers as well. So I hope you liked this extension. Go to Selector Hub website and try TestCase Studio, and let me know feedback in the comment sections. I hope this video is helpful, and we are going to discuss more small tools which will helpful for the testers in coming sessions. So stay tuned with the Fundu Tester, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe Fundu Testers. Thank you so much.